up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a project here for you today. It's in need of a rescue and restoration. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. There's ugly on this car, but it's not so bad. Go over everything for you so you know exactly what you're getting before you get it. We ship all over the US and worldwide. This is a 1962 Chevy Impala. It's got a V8 327. Not sure if it's original engine. It looks good though. It's 3-speed manual transmission. It stood its life in a barn in Virginia for the past 30 years. Obviously, we're going to go quickly over it because it does need a lot of work. It's got an overall patina on it from sitting. Original color looks like it's black with a red interior. I'll point out the worst spots of rust is going to be on this side right here and right there. The rest of the body is fairly good. There's not any rot except under here, under the trim. There's a little bit there. This fender's good. Hood's in good shape as far as rust. There's a dent here. But this side's good. Bottoms are good. There's no rot, no rust here. This whole side is good. Take a look at the back. The engine does turn over and will start with a little TLC. .327. It's been off the road since the 80s, but it was started and maintained. I think the battery shows I want to say 90s, the last time it was started. The worst part is the interior. It needs to definitely be gone over. Rip this seat out, replace the seat, headliner. The dash is in good shape. Door panels need to be replaced. It does have this big hole right here in the floor, and same on the other side. The rest of the floor is good. I get all the time people make fun of me for selling cars like this. They call me Bob Evans Junk Cars. That's what they said last time. What do you guys think? I took a poll last time and I asked if you guys want me to buy more projects, and I had a lot of people reach out to me and say, yes, Rob, buy projects, sell them as projects. So I've been adding some more barn finds. This was definitely a barn find. It's not a bad car. It's not going to take much to get it started. Probably have to do brake lines to it, get the brakes all done, and it'll run and drive in no time. Rip out that interior, put a decent interior in it, and then I would just drive it like this, because I think the patina is pretty cool. I think you can get this thing running and driving for a couple $1,000s. If you do the work yourself, probably cheaper. Now again, if you want to do a full restoration, that's different. You're going to have to put some money into it. But if I was to keep it, that's what I would do. Just get it running and driving, keep the patina, probably put the trim back on it. I do have a bunch of parts in the trunk. key is in it. It does have a key. Leave me your comments. Let me know what you think. You guys like me selling cars like this as well as the cars that are all done up. I think this provides a good opportunity for anybody that wants to buy a project. Helps us reach another clientele. These Impalas are getting harder and harder to find. And like I said, it's got that little bit of rust, but it's not terrible. Like this side is really good. You replace those 2 floors and do that back quarter, and you're pretty solid. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. You can reach me at 215-801-9493. You call me directly. That's my cell phone. I'll help put a deal together. We can ship it all over the U.S. I can get a trailer back here, pick it up, winch it in, and get it in right to your doorstep. Up for sale now. It's on our website. That's another thing I get. People ask me, Rob, why don't you put prices in cars? And the reason why, because if we don't sell them, we keep lowering the price. And if I tell you a price now, it might not be a price in a month. Look at the description. You'll see the price in there. Appreciate you guys checking us out. Thank you and have a great, safe day.